Hi, English language learners. My name is Teacher Mir, and I have a bachelor's degree in English linguistics. I'm a TESOL certified English teacher with over 15 years of teaching experience. Over the past years, I've taught students of various background and age groups. I've taught young children, I've taught adults and professionals as well. My lessons are full of activities. I design each lesson keeping in view the learner's needs. In my classes, I strive to create a comfortable environment where you feel comfortable to learn, to speak, interact, ask questions, and have an enjoyable time. I will be covering various areas of English language, be it pronunciation, okay, dealing with grammar, improving your speaking, writing, listening, or reading. I'm fully equipped to assist you with your English language goals. Please move ahead, book your trial lesson. I'm excited to welcome you in my lesson. Thank you.